Donald Trump's lawyers, along with, of course, his co-defendants Rudy Giuliani, Mark Meadows, Robert Cheeley, Michael Roman, David Schaefer, Harrison Floyd, and Kathleen Latham, filed a motion with Judge Scott McAfee in Georgia this week, begging him to please reconsider your decision to not remove District Attorney Fani Willis from the Georgia RICO case. Here is what they wrote in their court filing. The March 15th order, which of course refers to his ruling from last week saying either Willis has to go or Wade has to go, but Willis can stay. They didn't do anything wrong. It just kind of looks bad, is what the ruling essentially said. Anyway, the March 15th order is of exceptionally great importance to this case, substantially impacting defendants' rights to due process. Additionally, given the lack of guidance from the appellate courts on key issues and the fact that any errors in the March 15th order could be structural errors that would necessitate retrials, the grant of certificate of immediate review is both prudent and warranted. Basically, what they're asking the judge, to put it in layman's terms, is, Judge, please reconsider and kick Fani Willis off the case because we just don't like her. Okay. What I just read to you, even though it sounded like a legal argument, right? A lot of legal words in there, right? Oh, crazy, a lot of legalese. It's not an actual legal argument. And even if it were a legal argument, it's important to note that this is a legal argument that actually cannot be made. Because see, here's what Judge McAfee actually did in his rulings. Now, as we remember, he issued 2 rulings last week. One of them, he dismissed 6 charges, 3 of them against Donald Trump. But in that motion, he actually said this matter is appealable. So if you're not happy with this ruling, either side, you can appeal it. And Willis, you can actually refile the charges, make them a little less vague, and we can probably, go forward with that. But in his decision to not kick Fani Willis off the case, he didn't say so. He didn't say this is appealable. He effectively said this is final. You're not going to take it back to me. You're not going to come and try to renegotiate with me, as Trump is clearly trying to do. This is the word. This is what's happening. We're moving forward, so shut the hell up and get on board. So even if you could make a legal argument out of that mumbo jumbo that they filed, you're not even allowed to do that because the judge basically said, it's over, it's done. I've issued my ruling. Don't question it. And immediately, they questioned it. And I got to tell you, we have seen Donald Trump and his legal teams repeatedly question the rationale of judges and cases before this one, and it never ended well for him ever. Literally ever. So keep on doing what you're doing, guys, because you've pissed off every judge you've been in front of so far, and Donald Trump has always had to pay the price for that. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.